Good morning Instagram, good morning YouTube, good morning Twitter. How's everybody feeling today? Today is the 19th. Currently looking to just get in this buy position here once we close on that 15-minute up on support. Kind of expecting it to close on support. We'll just have to see. Got 8 minutes. Kind of expecting this retracement play. Hoping it doesn't push up too much. Hopefully it kind of keeps pushing up maybe a little bit past the this little key level here, and we get like a nice range wick. But Dinesh, bro, what's up with you, man? Good to hear from you, man. Everything's going really good. Everything's going real good. Just sitting here being patient, man. No, sir, not yet. About to take a trade here in about 5 minutes, most likely. Right now, just waiting for this 15-minute to go ahead and close. Once we close, I'm going to go ahead and enter a buy position, have stop loss below the previous candle. See where we can take it from there.
Your call.
Son of a gun, boy. Probably that 30-minute though, to be honest, probably was giving us a bit of a challenge there. Try to get up on that 15-minute, but oof, definitely just glad we closed a little bit full, a little bit earlier than what I expected. Yeah, folks, so in this case, obviously our did not work out well at all here. Pretty quick of a trade there, honestly. It got stopped out real quick. The 30-minute didn't help out for us, to be honest. Felt with all this little consolidation here to the left, maybe able to form a good little support and keep pushing price and retrace back up. But fortunately, was able to close a little bit early, but still didn't matter too much. Still ended up losing 1.8%, which actually is a little bit more than 1.5%. So not very good on risk management on my end. Yeah, definitely, you know, is what it is, but yeah, it is what it is, man. You know, definitely, just more to learn, more to learn. At this point, folks, I'm just curious if I want to stay in the position or just wait for tomorrow. Or not stay in the position, but necessarily look to get into the position or just wait to trade tomorrow. Which at this point, I'm looking to just trade most likely for tomorrow. See what kind of opportunity it may give us. But yeah, for right now, probably just gonna call it cool for today. Yeah, buddy. Unfortunately, just took a really risky position though. Dinesh went ahead and traded off that 15-minute, which very very risky, especially with our 30-minute. That 30-minute candle never really fully closed how it was supposed to, or not necessarily how it's supposed to, but how it's supposed to if I was to take a correct buy. But I definitely took that risk on that 15-minute anticipating. And you know, it is what it is. No worries, you know, because there's times when that does play out. I had a consideration of selling here, but the thing that I didn't want to sell for is just because I know we're generally pretty very bullish, so I'm trying to stay with that relative trend. But unfortunately, my entry just wasn't it. My entry just wasn't good enough. Got to look for a better entry and just wait for the better opportunity. potentially even wait for that 30 minutes to give me that you know, candle closure, and then maybe even if the stop loss is too big, try and drop it down to 15, try and get a little bit better stop loss. But yeah, right here would have been a nice move. But unfortunately, we end up taking that loss, so it is what it is. Yeah, I can't lie, folks. After seeing our price action right now, at this point, I just rather, honestly, considering just closing the stream, just taking that one trade today and just calling it for me today. Yeah, it just is what it is, you know. Took that early entry with that 15 minute. Something got to be relatively expected, you know. 15 minute can be a little bit more risky, but it's not too bad though, you know. It's not too bad. It is unfortunate. I can't lie. It is unfortunate. It definitely makes you feel like, guys, damn, kind of frustrating moment, but it's part of trading and something I just got to do to overcome to better myself. Still a lot more I have to learn, man. Still a lot more I have to learn. So it's one of them things where all these moments are gonna add up and provide a good beneficial lesson for me to learn from and be able to take it and make it happen. Yep. No, for sure. Why did I not enter again? Just because honestly, putting my stop loss is just a little unsure where I want to put my stop loss. Didn't want to have it. My bad. Didn't want to put my stop loss anywhere like, I don't know, below these wicks here. I didn't want to have a stop loss like this. Person was trying to keep it like that. Came down pretty quick on this, so at that point I was a little bit just seeing where this candle will close. Honestly, at that point I'm not gonna just impulsively enter while it's relatively in a range. To me, it just doesn't show very good consistency. It shows more like a FOMO trade, and I don't want to be showing so much FOMO where I'm showing like fear of missing out. Like just as easily this did come up. In the moment, you can't fully know that. You know, in the moment, you fully can't know that. We started pushing down. At this point, I thought, you know, push down, got stopped out. You know, we could just have another bearish candle print here on the 15-minute and then actually just continue pushing down and retest these lows here around 1945. But what ended up happening, obviously, is we pushed down, price started coming back up, trading above my entry. Once we start trading above the entry, then we just blew up. Of course, there's a time period where I could think, you know, hey, I could take another entry. But for me, to enter again when the candle's live and there's no full closure, you don't necessarily know where the price really wants to go. This bullish candle, this bullish 15-minute candle gave me the idea that we're going to want to retrace back up and retest these levels here, which we ended up doing. We ended up doing that. But the thing with trading is, and every day trader knows, especially scalpers, your entry is so important. And unfortunately, the entry I took, not that it's necessarily a bad entry, it's just that it's in an area where it's so much built liquidity that I gotta expect that, especially with the 30-minute candle that wasn't really printing in my direction or in my favor. I gotta understand there's gonna be liquidity wicks that are gonna try and grab some liquidity for a better push to the top side. You know, I'm not even gonna say I wouldn't even want to take this trade. I really like this setup, to be honest. I like this setup. I could have had a bigger stop loss. Yeah, you're right. I could have maybe put a stop loss down here, you know, something along here. But either way, if this wasn't, say this never happened and we just ended up going, you know, it went in my direction, you know, obviously at that point I'd been able to profit much quicker than if I was to have a stop loss, you know, 21 pips. 21 pips big. Obviously 21 pips may have worked out. Not too sure. Oh yeah, 21 pips, because right now we're moving about 27, even more, probably about 30 pips. So, you know, it's just part of trading, man. It's just tough. It's a tough game to get into, and definitely got to just be super critical with your technical analysis. And I feel like right now just dropped the ball a little bit. My boy said, today I earned 10K from any market. Yesterday I lost 5K. Bro, it sounds beautiful, bro. It sounds like a beautiful, you risk manage good, and now you trade manage good today. Proud of you, Dinesh. Keep it going, bro. I like to hear it, man. Very good, my guy. It goes upward direction and breaks resistance, then why are you not taking another trade? Bro, the candle hasn't closed, dog. If I was taking another trade here, I'd have been losing right now. I don't know what you mean. Yeah, it broke some of these highs, bro. It didn't even break any of these highs though here. And candle is yet to even close, bro. So it's like, I'm not gambling, bro. You know? I'm definitely not gambling, man. This to me, without seeing any future thing, this to me would be a good setup, obviously. You know? Put a stop loss here, but clearly we got stopped out. One of those things where it's just, I gotta just, you know, figure out the best entry, figure out something to do better, look out for this better, but really not much I can do besides manage risk, so can't really be tripping on this trade. Hopefully I had a candle close above this resistance, kind of what I was waiting for, to take another buy position, but candle's pushing back down, man, trading within the range. I'm not taking a trade within this range. If candle pushes back up, we close above this, and it closes, the 15-minute closes above this, and at that point I'll take a trade, but right now it just doesn't seem like the best decision. And obviously we have the 30-minute closing support here, but for me, bro, I know I've had big stop losses on the stream before, but I feel like having the big stop loss really never fully helped me in the end of the day, because I have to wait for that full move to work out. I'm trying to have a tighter stop loss. Yeah, don't wanna be doing that, you know. 35 pip stop loss. I'm okay. 30-minute may have that trade, but 15-minute may have the better entry, and currently just not seeing the entry right now. Yeah, guys. Honestly, looking to close the stream here. If this candle closes bearish, definitely closing the stream. There's really no opportunity at this point. Just going to be a lot more waiting. But if we close above this resistance here, we could take another buy position. Currently just waiting right now. Very, very unfortunate. Unfortunate that I lost this trade here, to be honest. Very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. Yeah, folks, looking like this is gonna be the end of the stream today. To be honest, not looking to take any more trades. Alrighty, folks. Well, that is gonna be the end of the stream for me, at least. Dinesh, hey man, I appreciate you tapping into the stream today. I really do. God bless, man. I hope everything goes even better and better for you within the Indian market. I'm sure you're killing it right now, man. So just keep killing it. With the profits that you get in, man. Honestly, bro, I would recommend you opening something for yourself, bro. Get you a little community of the Indian market going, man. Tell people how to trade the Indian markets, man. You never know how far it could take you, man. So definitely recommend you to do that, bro. But regardless, Dinesh, hey man, appreciate you just dropping in, giving your comments down, your opinions, whatever it is. Appreciate it, man. Other than that, man, God bless, and let's just have a good day. You know, take it easy, my guy, and we'll see each other in the very near future, man. Peace out.